How to send disappearing photos on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Open your WhatsApp. Here we go. You will land to the chat section. Now open the conversation in which you want to send the disappearing photos. Here I'm gonna open this one. After you open it, at the bottom you will see this message box, and with that you will see this camera icon. Tap on it. With that your camera will open up. Now you can easily click the picture or you can select the picture from the gallery. If you want to select the picture from the gallery, you can tap on this one icon. With that your gallery will open up. Now from here you can select the picture. But for now I'm gonna click the picture. After you are done with selecting the picture, you can add a caption. And over here you will find this icon with this one number. You have to tap on it. View once messages give you more privacy. When you send a photo or video, it disappears from the chat after it's opened. Tap on OK. Now you have just enabled the view once mode. Now you can send it. Now this person will be able to view this photo only once. I hope you guys are clear about how to send disappearing photos on WhatsApp. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.